What's up, guys? Mark is time for second vlog. God damn it. But here's tram number 4 crossing the street. A whole lot of cars. But this is where I usually get on the tram, but we're right now not getting on the tram. We're just gonna go to the store. Oh, shut up. Okay. Shut up, Grandma, you're stupid. Okay. So there's bus number 70. It's more like bus tails, but it's actually tram tails. No Deutschbahn tails. It's Tuesday because we're gonna take care of Tiggy at the hospital. He's right now having tubes on him. Alright guys, well that's all my video. Just like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and bye.